BRICS trade ministers on Thursday met in New Delhi and talked about a number of issues, including how to boost employment and correct trade imbalances. The first BRICS trade fair was also officially inaugurated by Vice President Hamid Ansari and Trade Minister of all BRICS countries. Here's a detailed report.
Ahead of the BRICS summit this weekend, trade ministers from all the BRICS countries met in Delhi. The meeting was hosted by Commerce and Industry Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and was attended by her counterparts from the BRICS countries. During the day-long deliberations, the ministers adopted a framework for cooperation dealing in small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs, services, intellectual property rights, trade promotion, non-tariff measures resolution and standardization.
After 2 days of work and today with the trade ministers also discussing, of the 8 issues we could arrive at a sort of consensus on 7 of them. And on the 7 issues such as issues related to skill standards, trade-related other issues, we have come up with a joint communique with.
A number of bilaterals were also held during the day. These includes bilaterals with the Chinese, Russians and Brazilians. During the bilateral with the Chinese counterpart, India raised the issue of mounting bilateral trade deficit and called for greater market access for Indian goods in Chinese markets. Important day for the BRICS member countries. The important part was, of course, BRICS trade ministers meeting in Delhi. Later on, they inaugurated the first trade fair which took place for the BRICS countries, in which BIMSTEC countries have also participated. This idea of BRICS trade fair was mooted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the UFA summit which took place in Russia last year. And this time around, the largest delegation has been sent by China, and 32 companies from South Africa have participated. During the inauguration ceremony, Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman urged member countries to find innovative ways to push intra-BRICS trade and roll back protectionist measures. Over 600 exhibitors are showcasing their products and expertise at the BRICS trade fair. All the 5 economies of the BRICS grouping are really important players when it comes to global economics and have the potential to contribute to not only the global world order but also change the global economic order brick by brick. With camera person Pramod Negi, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.